Hey guys, it's LJ EST 2004 here, and today we're going to do another double feature DVD opening in this DVD is The Thorn Birds from 2004. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. Here's disc 1, and here's disc 2, and they're both double-sided. First up, let's take a look at the opening to side A of disc 1. Love, unattainable, forbidden, forever.
From the raw Australia of the 1900s comes a turbulent saga that spans the decades. In Colleen McCullough's best-selling novel, The Thorn Birds.
I'll never have what I want.
The story of a priest driven by ambition.
Never be what I want.
Tormented by desire.
And I don't know how to stop wanting.
Hello, I'm Father de Brickassar, and you'll be Mary Carson's brother?
That's right, Father.
From the moment he saw her, he knew
And who are you?
I'm Maggie.
he would love her forever.
I give you Mary Carson.
The richest woman in Australia, and the loneliest.
Turn, Frank.
You are the most beautiful man I have ever seen, Ralph de Brickassar.
I thought it was my soul you were after, Mary. Why do you tug so at my heart? Where do you feel that space God can't fill?
When you were a little girl, you were like my own child to me.
I could have you then.
You can have me now. You can marry me.
I have chosen to destroy you, priest. Oh, I'll go to hell for it, of course. But it'll be nothing to the hell I'm planning for you.
In the years that followed, no one could stir Maggie's heart. No one till a rover named Luke O'Neill.
God, you are beautiful. Marry me, Megan.
A story that travels around the world, from the Vatican to the Australian outback, from the islands of Greece to London.
I've tried so hard to get her out of my heart.
A saga that spans half a century, echoing through 3 generations. Starring Richard Kiley, Gene Simmons, Ken Howard, Mayor Winningham, Philip Anglin, Christopher Plummer, Brian Brown, Barbara Stanwyck, Rachel Ward, and Richard Chamberlain. A love unattainable, forbidden, forever. The Thorn Birds.
And that was the opening to side A. Next up, side B.
From the raw Australia of the 1900s comes a turbulent saga that spans the decades. In Colleen McCullough's best-selling novel, The Thorn Birds.
I'll never have what I want.
The story of a priest driven by ambition.
Never be what I want.
Tormented by desire.
And I don't know how to stop wanting.
And a beautiful young girl obsessed with a man she could never have.
You can marry me. You love me.
But I love God more.
It's Mrs. Carson, Father. She's dead.
Probably did herself in. Unless it was the devil doing us all a favor.
Father Ralph de Brickassar served as the chief authority in charge of my estate. 13 million pounds of it.
Go on to that God of yours. You'll come back to me, because I'm the one who loves you.
And tonight, the story continues.
Fire! Fire on Torqueda!
Oh, you come back.
done to me. God, you are beautiful. Help me get free of this.
Starring Richard Kiley, Gene Simmons, Ken Howard, Mayor Winningham, Philip Anglin, Christopher Plummer, Brian Brown, Rachel Ward, and Richard Chamberlain. A love unattainable, forbidden, forever. The Thorn Birds.